Growing up, we all fell in love with Disney princesses. Their enchanting stories, beautiful gowns, and happily ever afters. But what if I told you that many of these tales are rooted in real history, often with darker twists than the animated versions we adore? Let's start with Cinderella. The story we know, with its glass slipper and fairy godmother, is based on various folk tales that date back centuries. One of the earliest versions comes from ancient Greece, where a girl named Rhodopis lost her sandal while bathing. But the most famous retelling is from Charles Perrault in the 17th century. In reality, Cinderella's life was filled with hardship, and the original tales often included themes of abuse and betrayal that were glossed over in the Disney adaptation. Next, we have Snow White. This character, too, has roots in folklore that are much darker than the charming animated film. The Brothers Grimm collected the story in the 19th century, and their version is filled with jealousy, attempted murder, and a much more sinister queen. The original Snow White was not just a passive character. She was a survivor, navigating a world filled with danger and deceit. Then there's Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Hans Christian Andersen's original tale is a heartbreaking story of sacrifice. Ariel, in her quest for love, gives up her voice and endures immense pain. If she fails to win the prince's heart, she faces a tragic fate. The Disney version softens these themes, turning a tale of longing and loss into a vibrant adventure. But the essence of sacrifice remains. Let's not forget about Mulan. While Disney presents her as a brave warrior, the real Mulan, from the ancient Chinese ballad, is a symbol of loyalty and filial piety. She disguises herself as a man to take her father's place in the army, showcasing incredible courage. The historical context of her story reflects the struggles of women in a patriarchal society, making her a powerful figure of resilience. And what about Pocahontas? The animated film romanticizes her story, but the true tale is far more complex and tragic. Pocahontas was a Native American woman who played a crucial role in the early interactions between her people and English settlers. Her life was marked by conflict, cultural misunderstanding, and ultimately loss of identity. The real Pocahontas was a diplomat and a survivor, navigating a world that was rapidly changing around her. Finally, let's touch on Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. Tiana is inspired by the real-life figure of a New Orleans chef, and her story reflects the struggles of African-American women in the early 20th century. Tiana's journey to achieve her dreams highlights the importance of hard work and perseverance, a message that resonates deeply in today's society. These stories remind us that behind the magic of Disney lies a rich tapestry of history, culture, and resilience. The true stories of these princesses are not just fairy tales, they are reflections of the human experience, filled with challenges, growth, and the enduring quest for love and happiness. So, the next time you watch a Disney film, remember the real women who inspired these characters and the lessons their stories can teach us.